What is the symbol rate in symbols per second for a digital communication system that uses QPSK modulation scheme and forward error correction of 0.64, given that the data stream is transmitted at a rate of 934 bits per second? Okay, so QPSK, so you have a bit rate, not a bit rate, but the bit rate is 934 bits per second, but it also has an error correction of 0.64. What then that means is that the actual bit rate is going to depend on that forward error correction. If you have an error correction that is less than 1 in our case, then the actual bit rate is going to be larger than none, because it's supposed to be bit rate is equals to whatever you're given divided by the forward error correction. In this case 0.64, which is 16/25. Then secondly, for MRE PSK, the symbol rate is always given by the bit rate divided by log to base 2 of M. MRE. If it's 4 RE, then that would be, like in our case, that would be M is equals to 4, and log to base 2 of 4 is 2. So the bit rate is 934 times 25/16, which is the inverse of this. And our actual bit rate then becomes 1459. This is supposed to be symbols per second. Okay. Then the symbol rate S is equals to that bit rate divided by log to base 2 of 4, which is 2, 459/2, 1459/2, and you end up with 729.7 symbols per second. That is the symbol rate or the baud rate in symbols per second. So this is a correction supposed to be symbols per second.